Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you need to open up TikTok. Once TikTok is opened, you need to go to your profile. And right over here, you gotta check your reposts. And yeah, here I have only 2 reposts. But if you got too many reposts, what you can do is just go ahead and press on these 3 horizontal lines in the top corner, and you just gotta go to settings and privacy. Right over here, you just gotta scroll down till the bottom until you see the option of support and about, and you just need to press on help center. And over here you need to press on the option of chat with us. Now it will take a while to load up, but you'll see a chat box with TikTok support. And here, as you can see, what you have to do is just simply type in, can you help me remove all my reposts at once. And you just gotta send that in like this. So TikTok support will help you with that, and they will connect you to your like this, and it's saying that the only one way on how you can remove that, but you just gotta keep one type that I wanna talk with a professional. So yeah, something like this, and it will take you to someone professional, and they will help you remove all the reposts that you've reposted on your account. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.